Welcome to LeTourneau University's Canvas Instructor Training video series. This video will cover navigation of the Canvas site. Topics to be addressed are the dashboard, the all courses list, the sandbox, the calendar, the inbox, commons, and help. The dashboard is the first place that you'll be brought when you log into Canvas. It will show up to a limit a colored tile for each of the courses that you are enrolled in. You can filter what courses it displays, and we'll be covering that a little bit later on in this video. There is also a switch on this page which allows you to switch from the tile view to a recent activity list which shows notifications for all courses that you're enrolled in arranged chronologically. On the far right, there's also a to-do list. For you as an instructor, this will primarily provide prompts reminding you to grade student papers. There's also a coming up list, and this will provide reminders about non-assignment based calendar events that might exist for a course. The All Courses list can be found by clicking on the Courses tab and then clicking on the All Courses button on the Courses tab flyout. This will bring you to the All Courses list. This list will absolutely show you every single course that you are currently enrolled in Canvas. Up at the top, there is a menu to help you filter by term, and you will also notice that there is a star next to each course. Clicking on this star will turn the star yellow, meaning that you have favorited this course. If you have at least one course favorited, only your favorited courses will show up on your dashboard. An important thing to note is that courses are not favorited by default. Thus, when you are done teaching one semester, you will need to go into your all courses list and unfavorite your old courses and favorite your new courses so that they will then show up on the dashboard. The Sandbox is an area that we have created to allow you to practice and experiment with Canvas in a safe environment that is separated from the student-facing side of Canvas. To access it, click on the Admin tab, and then click on the Sandbox button in the Admin tab flyout. This will bring you to the Sandbox area, which looks like this, and we'll be covering how to work within the Sandbox later on in this video series. Your calendar functions very similarly to any other web calendar. Up at the top are buttons to allow you to view different views: week, month, agenda, or scheduler. Also, a nice feature about the calendar in Canvas is it allows you to assign due dates to assignments. To do so, you can open up your undated items folder. In here, you'll see a list of every single assignment from your courses that currently does not have any due date information set. You can then drag and drop these items onto your calendar, and this will set their due dates. You can also change due dates by clicking and dragging the items on your calendar. You can also change due date information by editing the assignments themselves, and we'll be covering that later on in this video series. Your inbox functions extremely similar to email. Up in the top left, there is a square with a pencil in it. This is what allows you to create a new message. These messages can be sent to individuals in a class or to the entire class. We will not be covering the functionality of the Commons area in depth in this video series. However, we do wish to provide you a basic understanding of what Commons is. In its simplest form, Commons is an area that allows instructors to share course content with other instructors. This course content can be shared just amongst LeTourneau University instructors, or it can be shared amongst all Canvas users. Instructors can also browse content that has been uploaded by other instructors and import it into their courses. As I stated, we will not be covering the in-depth function of Commons in this video series. The Help button is found in the lower left-hand corner of Canvas. When you click on this button, it will open up the Help menu. The first item in this menu, Search the Canvas Guides, links you to the Canvas Guide website. This website combines a powerful search engine with detailed step-by-step guides written by Canvas and provides you a means to quickly acquire instructions on how to perform specific tasks inside of Canvas. The second item on this menu, Report a Problem, we actually ask that you do not click. This is not because we do not want you reporting a problem, but if you report a problem this way, it places it in an area that is harder for us to access, meaning that it will take us longer to help you. We ask instead that you report a problem by contacting CDT. Our contact information is provided further down in the Help menu, and it is cdt@letu.edu or our phone number 903-233-4070. The third item in this menu, Canvas Tutorial for Students and Instructors, links you to Laterno's wiki, which provides Laterno-specific ways of doing things in Canvas. Once again, the fourth item on this list is CDT's contact information, and we ask that if you need any help with Canvas, or if you run into any problems with Canvas, that you contact us at either the email provided there or the phone number provided as well. The fifth item in this menu, Ask the Community, connects you with other instructors who are also using Canvas, and you can ask them questions such as, how do you get students to engage in this type of content? The final item on this menu is a really cool item. If there's something that you wish Canvas would do different, or an idea of how they might do something better, you can click on Submit a Feature Idea. You then can write up your idea. It will go through a vetting process to 1, make sure that it's possible, and 2, make sure it's not something that's already incorporated in Canvas. After it goes through this vetting process, it is then open to vote amongst the entire Canvas community. This includes students, other instructors, and administrators. If your idea receives 100 votes or more, it will receive a developer response and possibly be included in upcoming releases of Canvas. Even if you do not currently have a feature idea to submit, I do recommend that you at least once a month or so click on this option and view the ideas that are currently open for voting. The voting process heavily drives what direction Canvas takes with its development and what becomes its priorities. So by regularly looking at the ideas that are open for voting and voting on those ideas, you can make your voice heard with Canvas. So, in review, we covered the dashboard, the all courses list, the sandbox, the calendar, the inbox, Commons, and help.